Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to take screenshot inside your code in Visual Studio Code, and we will be using the Codesnap extension, which is the #1 extension in VS Code, to take a snapshot or screenshot of your code. So the extension is Codesnap. If you just go to the extensions tab and just search here Codesnap, this is the actual extension. Take beautiful screenshots of your code here, and let me uninstall it, and it will look something like this. 2.3 million downloads are there. So simply need to install this extension. So once you install it globally, this extension will be enabled globally. So now it has features. It can support any language. Let's suppose if you are writing this code, if you want to take a screenshot of this, so what you will do, right click with the mouse and you will actually see this option appearing in the menu, Codesnap. Just you need to select this option, and on the right hand side you will see this live preview which will be there. And now you just need to select whichever code that you want to. As you will see with the mouse, you simply select the code, and as you select the code you will see the code will be, it will take the screenshot. And now you can adjust the width of the window like this by using the mouse. You can control the width like this, and then we have this button. If you click this button, it will take the screenshot. Now you can save this as a image file, and once the image is saved you can open this image. You will see now the screenshot has been successfully taken. You can share this screenshot now with your friends, or you can use it inside the blog post. So in this way you can take screenshot in VS Code using this Codesnap extension. It does supports various options that you can control it, such as the background color. If you don't want the line numbers, you can. So all these settings you can control it by clicking the settings icon, going to extension settings, and here you can control the background color. So if I want to have a red background color, I will simply put the hexadecimal code F00. So this is the background color of the snippets container. So if you just reload now, you will now see a red background color will be there. So I will stick to the default setting. So I will reset this setting to the default background color. And here you can control the box shadow. You can provide any color, RGB, and this is for the opacity, and this is for the container padding 3 em. If you don't want to show the line numbers, you can toggle this setting off. So now if you see the line numbers, display 9 numbers, you will actually see you need to toggle off this setting and then close it. You will see that the screenshot have been taken. So after, if you want to show line numbers, simply take this option, and the window should have rounded corners. Show window controls. So you should have a window title here. So what this mean that it should have a title right here. You see my project, which is the actual file name. So this is all the default options, and you don't need to really change these options if you really want to. So the default options are more than enough. And if you want to have a transparent background, you will select this option. So what does this mean? That after you take the screenshot, it will have a background color. It will not be having any sort of background color. It will have a transparent background. So in this way, you can take a screenshot of your source code and save it as a PNG or JPG file using this extension in VS Code. So you can take any language. This is the JavaScript here. You can take this any language of your choice. This is the HTML file here. You can see that it works with all the languages while you're coding. So this is C++. This is, you can see it's a Python application. So it works with all the languages. You will see that. So this was a tutorial, guys, on how to take screenshots of your code in VS Code using this Codesnap extension. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button and the subscribe to channel for more videos like this, and I will be seeing you in the next one.